So on a lot of my videos, I've been getting a lot of different comments and questions about the different DIY projects that I've done. Everything from my homemade CrossFit rope to my balance board, all kinds of different things. And I am going to do update videos on all those because people seem to be interested in whether or not the DIY projects that I demonstrate, whether or not I actually use them, whether or not I actually still have them, or what have you. Anyhow, so as I was doing a little cleaning today, I noticed the hydroponic system that I showed everybody. I think this was last summer, how to make this cheap little setup with just a little Rubbermaid container and some of these small little baskets. And while I was doing a little bit of cleaning, I just thought I'd give a quick update and kind of show everybody the way that this has progressed since then. So as you might be able to see, or not be able to see, but I'll point some different stuff out here. There's only 3 plants growing in here right now. I've got an English ivy. Actually, I believe that's what that is. That's a clone cut. You can see all the bright green new growth on that. This is some type of pepper plant. I'm not exactly sure which type it was. It might be Anaheim. I'm not exactly sure. This was a clone cut as well. And as you can see, since it's been in here, it's actually borne fruit here. It's borne fruit over here. You got all the flowers. And again, I've done really very little, if any, maintenance on this other than keeping my water level correct and running the air pump through it. You can see how big that plant is. And if it was a little bit later in the season, I'd go ahead and transfer this outside. But this is just a clone cut. Underneath here is another. I know it doesn't look like much, but this is another clone cut off of the same plant. I'm going to have to move this one to the different little side there so it gets a little bit more sun. But there you go. You can kind of see an update on how that works. You can actually see that the hydroponic system will go ahead and give you fruit, peppers, whatever the case may be. This has been running. This one's been in this system since I built this system. So whenever that video was posted, like I said, I want to say it was last June, and when I say last, I mean June 2019 or July 2019, somewhere around there. And it's just been sitting on my shelf literally right here, just in front of this window. This window gets morning sun till about 10 or 11 o'clock. So it just sits here. Do nothing else to it. Other than that, the room is dark if I'm not in here. So that's just a little quick update on the hydroponic system. And again, I'm going to be doing some updates on some of the other DIY projects that I've done over the years. People seem to be interested in. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video, I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, see what we're up to throughout the week between videos. And this is where I say maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.